Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic headlight bulb 2018, only ways. Begin by popping the hood, locating the headlight assembly, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to ensure safety. Remove the air intake or panel if needed, twist out the bulb connector, and swap in the replacement. Test the light before reassembling, realign the headlight beam if necessary, and securely fasten all components to prevent moisture and vibration. Gather tools and parts before you start to save time and reduce frustration. You will need gloves, a 10 mm wrench, replacement bulb rated for the 2018 Civic, and a clean cloth. Keep a small flashlight handy, and verify bulb type and left or right fit to avoid compatibility issues during the swap. Organize screws and clips in a tray, and review vehicle manual for any model-specific notes or online resources. Work methodically to prevent damage and keep alignment consistent. Start by removing the headlight cover or airbox as needed, then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull straight out. Install the new bulb avoiding finger oils, seat it firmly, reconnect the socket, and test the beam on low and high settings. Reassemble panels, tighten fasteners, and adjust aim if headlights are low or off to ensure safe night driving smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.